ever struggled with bland ad ideas or ideas that look good but do not convert when you use them as ads? Today, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to turn ordinary concepts into high converting display ads. Why does this work? Because this process is based on showing transformation in different forms, and transformation is a hugely powerful user motivation. Let's get into this. Here's the prompt we're going to use. We're asking GPT to develop a series of conceptual ideas focusing on visual metaphors that illustrate the transformative impact of the product that we're going to describe. What is important is to also provide examples that illustrate the kind of output we are looking for. In this case, we want visual metaphors that showcase the kind of transformation that we want to depict. So a light fitness app could be depicted as somebody chiseling the figure from a block of marble. Language learning software could be somebody constructing a bridge that implies connecting two different cultures. Now that we have given examples of possible inputs, let's input our product. In this case, let's assume this product is an app for kids that ensures they learn to read in a fun, engaging way. Let's see what we get back for this. I'm going to pause so you don't have to wait for ChatGPT to type this out. We have these ideas: the magical book forest, or word balloon adventure, caterpillated butterfly. These are transformations of visual metaphors that I would not have thought of otherwise. And this really is expanding the universe of ideas that we're coming up with. Now, I'm asking ChatGPT for prompts for DALL-E because we want these to go into DALL-E in order to generate high converting display ads for Meta, which is our ultimate goal. Let's see what we get back. Now we have these prompts that can go into DALL-E. Now I'm going to ask for images for each of the above concepts, asking for the images to be optimized for conversions. Let's go. We have our outputs here. These are great and almost ready to use. These are ready to send over to your designer to clean up and fine tune. This is a magical forest of reading. This is the kids taking off in a balloon and exploring knowledge. This is a caterpillar leading to a butterfly, which is a great visual metaphor. This is the kid uncovering a treasure that is embodied by the app. This is the kid navigating the seas and oceans of adventure. This is the kid going through the universe and discovering new things. Every single one of this is a great metaphor for knowledge and discovery. And each of these would make for a great display ad. And this would expand the sheer universe of ideas you could be testing. I hope this video gives you inspiration for using GPT to generate display ad ideas for your own product. I talk about using AI for performance marketing. Follow me here for more insights like this.